Today, we're looking at an AI video editor that claims it can automatically stitch clips together and create complete videos.
The tool is called AiVideoStitcherFx. Revolutionize video editing with seamless AI stitching. Experience the future of content creation.
According to the creators, it can automatically stitch clips, edit timelines, and produce ready-to-publish videos. Sounds impressive, but does it actually work? Let's look at the dashboard. The metrics seem good, but let's test it.
Let's find out. First, let's talk about the problem most beginners face with video editing. Traditional video editing software can be complicated. Look at this overloaded interface with all these tools and layers. It can be really intimidating.
You have to manually cut clips. So rips.
Arrange footage by simply dragging and dropping clips onto the timeline tracks.
And sync everything together.
For beginners, this process can take hours.
That's where AiVideoStitcherFx claims to help. Our software interface simplifies complex editing workflows, steaming your creative process like never before.
The AiVideoStitcherFx comeback promises that the Zonal software promises to automate the editing process using artificial intelligence. The movie a few talk setting as
Instead of manually editing videos,
the AI analyzes your clips automatically.
It arranges them into a timeline.
And even adds transitions.
Let's look at the workflow. Editing power string and story set in ES, factor equal by SNOS, pattern to so.
Step 1. Upload clips. Step 3. Timeline creation. Step 4. Export the finished video.
the goal is simple. It's a simple, streamlined video editing workflow. Upload, edit, preview, and reduce editing time dramatically. With AI, go from hours to minutes. This is fast editing automation. To test the software, I uploaded multiple clips. The interface processes them efficiently. This shows the platform's seamless functionality. Then generated an AI timeline. The system processes the data in phases. Now the timeline is complete.
And exported the final video.
Does it actually save time?
Let's examine the core features. First, text-to-video generation, then AI scene generation. Next, auto-editing tools, auto-video creation. AI presenter watch full video generation tier. AI generating full video automatically. Export-ready videos. Uploading to YouTube now. Progress is at 100%. Upload complete.
For beginners, the biggest benefit is speed.
It simplifies the editing workflow. On the left, the simple interface is clean and intuitive. On the right, the complex interface is powerful but overwhelming. However, it's not perfect. While the AI capabilities are impressive, there are still some limitations to consider.
AI editing may not always be perfect.
Advanced editors may want more control. Professional software offers multi-track editing and precise color grading. This gives you full creative power.
So who is this product best for? He's a Corrigan Star Swords, has imbistables, and you can start less.
But professional editors may prefer traditional software. These tools offer greater control and precision. Let's compare the advanced options.
Remember, tools alone don't make money.
Here's the final verdict.
If you're a beginner looking for a simpler editing workflow, this tool might help.
If you want to check the official page or pricing, the link is in the description.